It's a special day in Wild in the Kitchen today. I'm here with Chef Kevin Kowalson from Fire Lake Grill House and Cocktail Bar. And Chef Kevin, I was recently quail hunting in Kansas, and I brought in my harvest to roast up today.
Yeah, some beautiful quail.
Thank you. So what is the recipe?
Well, it's quite simple. This is a one-pan dish, essentially.
A one-pan wonder. We love that.
Yeah, really simple. We marinated our quail in pickle juice.
Awesome. So what are the first steps to get started?
So we're going to take it out of the brine, pat it dry. Salt and pepper.
One side or two sides?
You can just do both sides now. It's fine. Then we're going to go straight to a hot pan. We're going to lay it in there where the skin would be normally, side down first.
Okay, and why is that?
And lay it away from you. Because that's the side we're going to present on.
And how many minutes does this cook?
Halfway for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah, so that's what we're looking for. Another thing to note too is all this residual quail is actually really good, and that's going to make up part of the flavor in our sauce, yeah.
We only cooked one side for now,
Yep.
And now we're going to let it rest.
So we're going to add our potato.
Raw potato?
Nope, those are just cooked a little bit, just so they're soft. And then we can chop some bacon. If you have any leftover bacon sitting around.
Kevin, whoever has leftover bacon, let's be honest
just
here, nobody
crazy people,
does.
I guess. So now we're going to add that to our pan with potatoes.
Okay.
And then we'll just season it with a touch of salt and pepper. And if you wouldn't mind chopping up some rosemary.
One sprig or?
Yeah, one is plenty. We're going to throw a couple of pinches in there. Put in our spinach.
How many cups?
I would say just 2 good handfuls. This is all going to go right in the oven for about another 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, Laura, next we're going to place our quail right on top of the spinach and our vegetable.
Beautiful.
And we're going to go into our preheated oven, 350.
How many minutes?
About 7 to 9. All right, Laura, so while that quail's cooking, we've got some red wine here. We might as well have a glass.
Yes, great idea, Kevin.
It's been about 7 minutes. Let's check our
So I
quail.
should put my wine down?
Yeah.
Still a tenderness to
Yep.
it?
So we're gonna get the pan hot again. So for this, we're gonna add about a half a cup, give or take. You don't need to measure. We're gonna let that wine reduce. We're gonna throw in about 5 pats of butter there.
3, 4, 5. I mean, it really should be a t-shirt, actually. Everything's fine with butter and wine.
That's right.
Now you're removing it from the heat to stir.
Yeah, that's right. Just letting the residual heat just melt the butter. So we're ready to plate the quail.
Sounds good.
So we're gonna take some of our potato and spinach, and we're gonna slice our quail breast.
Nice and tender, I can tell you that. Now for the good stuff.
Yeah, so we're just gonna sauce this. Very simple.
Well, thanks, Chef Kevin, for sharing my Kansas quail and
Yeah.
making a delicious one-pan wonder.
My pleasure.
All right, I'm going in for a taste test.
Yummy?
Very, very good.
Awesome.
Cheers.
Cheers.